Camping is not just about leaving the city, it's about enjoying the outdoors with the right tools. Today I'll share 5 cool camping gadgets that will make your adventure better and life in nature easier. If any of these interest you, you can find the links in the description below. On first we have the Camping Gear Multi-Tool by Kunshin. This compact 16-in-1 gadget is a lifesaver for any outdoor enthusiast. It comes equipped with everything from a hammer, hatchet, and pliers to a knife, screwdriver, and even a bottle opener. It's made from stainless steel with a comfortable red anodized aluminum handle, perfect for gripping in the great outdoors. At just 15 ounces, it's lightweight, portable, and tough enough to tackle anything from cutting firewood to opening a can of beans. Oh, and it's just $19.98. It's not just a tool, it's a game changer for camping, fishing, or even home repairs. Link in the description if you want to grab one. Next up, the Solar Portable Charger by JSK. This 49,800 mAh beast is a must-have for anyone who loves staying connected while exploring the wild. It's compatible with virtually any device, whether it's your iPhone, Samsung, or tablet, and can charge up to 5 devices simultaneously with its built-in cables and wireless charging feature. And don't worry about the dark, its bright LED flashlight with SOS and strobe modes has you covered. The rugged design is waterproof, shockproof, and perfect for any camping trip. At $39.99, this powerhouse ensures you'll never run out of juice in the great outdoors. Say hello to your portable kitchen, the 27-piece camping kitchen utensil set by Free Hiker. Whether you're grilling, chopping, or flipping pancakes by the campfire, this kit has it all. Knives, a cutting board, barbecue tongs, skewers, and even extendable barbecue forks. Everything is made from durable stainless steel and packed neatly into a travel-friendly organizer bag. At $49.99, it's the ultimate tool for outdoor cooking. Plus, there's extra space in the bag for any personal items you want to add. Who says you can't cook gourmet meals in the wild? Check out the LHKNL headlamp flashlight. With 1,200 lumens, this rechargeable headlamp is bright enough to illuminate an entire trail. It's lightweight, water-resistant, and comes with 8 lighting modes, including motion sensor activation so you can turn it on and off with a wave of your hand. You'll get 2 headlamps in one pack for just $19, making it a fantastic gift idea for any adventurer. Perfect for camping, hiking, or even those unexpected power outages at home. No campsite is complete without the Lepro LED camping lanterns. These compact lights come in a pack of 4 and feature 3 brightness modes, from a soft warm glow to a bright daylight beam. Each lantern is battery-powered and comes with a handy hook for easy hanging inside your tent or on a tree branch. At just $15 for 4, these lanterns are lightweight, collapsible, and perfect for any camping trip or emergency kit. And that's just the beginning. We've got 5 more amazing gadgets coming up that you won't want to miss. So there you have it, 5 of the coolest camping gadgets to make your outdoor adventures safer, easier, and more enjoyable. If any of these caught your eye, check out the links in the description to grab your gear today. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more amazing outdoor tips and product recommendations.